What's up, y'all? I'm back again, same location, same drone, but I made one big change. I'm now flying with Zero Expo, and I mean Zero Expo in the drone and in the controller. And I'm gonna show y'all real quick, just so you can see. None of that stuff really matter. Whether you flying with Expo, the rates, all of that stuff, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Hope you can see that. Alright, here we go. 900 on pitch and roll, 500 for the yaw. Zero Expo. Here's my controller. Let me light that up. Can you see that? Zero Expo in there. Alright, let's see how it go. Oops. unclip this before I accidentally turn it on. Alright, y'all, that was it. Straight up raw FPV, raw freestyle, zero Expo. That right there was a totally different way of flying. I mean, the drone is like probably 1,000% more agile, because like it's following your stick inputs 100% to the T. So if you're not smooth, the flight not gonna be smooth. Man, that is, I wish y'all could feel my heart. Man, that is exciting, way more exciting. Well, there it is. It's possible. You don't need to ask people like they rates and try to copy people rates or nothing. Just practice, practice, practice. Try out a bunch of different stuff. See what worked for you, and just fly. Have fun. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Peace.